Lessons 21 to 25 from Greek Lessons by W. H. Morris. Recorded for the LibriVox Language Learning Collection, Volume 3. Read by Nicholas James Bridgewater. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Nicholas James Bridgewater. Greek Lessons by W. H. Morris. Lesson 21. Demonstrative pronoun outos, this, outos. This, masculine nominative, outos. Masculine accusative, touton. Masculine genitive, toutou. Masculine dative, touto. This, feminine neuter, αυτή. This, feminine accusative, ταύτην. Of this, feminine genitive, ταύτης. To this, feminine dative, ταύτη. Plural. These, masculine nominative, outi. These, masculine accusative, toutus. These, masculine genitive, touton. These, masculine dative, toutis. These, feminine nominative plural, αύτε. These, feminine accusative, ταύτας. Of these, feminine genitive, touton. To these, feminine dative, ταύτες. These, nominative neuter, ταύτα. These, accusative neuter, ταύτα. Of these, neuter genitive, touton. To these, neuter dative, toutis. Dual. Masculine, nominative, and accusative, these two, touto. Feminine, nominative and accusative, ταύτα. Masculine, genitive, dative, toutin. Feminine, these two. Nominative and accusative, ταύτα. Genitive and dative, ταύτην. Neuter, these two. Nominative, accusative, touto. Genitive, dative, toutin. Note, outos stands before or after, but not, except with an adjective, between the article and noun, as outos o logos, or o logos outos, this word. 22. Dead, masculine, nekros. Feminine, nekra. Neuter, nekron. Silver, money, masculine, argyros. Poverty, feminine, penia. Neuter, talandon, talent. Gold, masculine, chrysos. Fortune, feminine, tύχη. Denarius, penny, neuter, dinarion. Brother, masculine, adelphos. Sister, feminine, adelphi. Singular, ai. He, she, it brings, leads, drives. Plural, aiousin. They bring, etc. Pembi. He, she, it sends. Plural, pembousin. They send. Ou monon, not only. Ou monon. Αλλά και, but also. Αλλά και. Ούτως ο άνθρωπος πλούσιος εστιν, ούτως δε πτωχός. Το παιδιόν τούτου νεκρόν εστιν. Ούτι οι λόγοι πιστοί ήσιν. Ο αδελφός προς την καλήν αδελφήν δώρα πέμπει. Η κακή τύχη παινίαν άγι. Οι πλούσιοι πέμπουσι τάλαντα πολλά της πτωχής τούτης. Ταύτα τα παιδεία έχει δινάριον. Η τύχη τούτων των δούλων καλή εστιν. Ου μόνον αργυρών αλλά και χρυσών έχουσι. Τούτο μεν δινάριον δώσει. Τούτο δε τάλαντον. Give the derivation of penury. Adelphi, Chris in chrysanthemum, etc. 23. Remember that eo is contracted into u and ea into e or a, as golden masculine, chrysios, or chrysus. Golden feminine, chryseia, or chrysi. Golden neuter, chrysion, or chrysun. Made of silver masculine, argyreos, or us, feminine, argyreia, or a, neuter, argyreion, or un, tomb, masculine, taphos, bowl, bottle, feminine, fiali, drug, poison, neuter, pharmakon, stone, masculine, lithos, ball, globe, feminine, sphera, furlong, neuter, stadion, wreath, crown, masculine, stephanos, head, chapter, feminine, kephali, measure, neuter, metron, epi, upon, with accusative, genitive, or dative, tamen talanda chrysiain, ta de dinaria argyreia, Ifiali argyra estin, ides vera afti chrysi, os kalos estin os Stephanos Chrysus, pharmakon en ti fiali estin, o angelos echitas fialas, itafi uti lithus megalus echusi, to metron tu pediu tutu stadion estin, o adelphos sferan chrysin ti adelphi dosi, echusin epitas kephalas Stephanus Chrysus. Give the derivation of chronometer, thermometer, geometry, meter, sphere, hemisphere, emi, half, spherical, vial, Stephen, pharmacy, epitaph, lithograph, graphie, writing, drawing. 24. Personal pronouns. First person, singular, nominative. Εγώ, I, εγώ. Accusative, εμέ, με, me, εμέ, με. Genitive, εμού, μου, of me, εμού, μου. Dative, εμί, me, to me, εμί, me. Second person, singular, nominative, si, thou, see. Accusative, se, thee, se. Genitive, su, of thee, su. Dative, see, to thee, see. Third person, reflexive, singular, nominative, wanting. Accusative, himself, Genitive, ou, of himself, ou. Dative, to himself, Plural, first person plural, nominative, imis, we, imis. Accusative, imas, us, imas. Genitive, imon, of us, imon. Dative, imin, to us, imin. Plural nominative, imis, ye, imis. Accusative, imas, you, imas. Genitive, imon, of you, imon. Dative, imin, to you, imin. Third person plural, nominative, themselves, sphes, sphes. Accusative, svas, svas, neuter, svea. Genitive, sphon, of themselves, sphon. Dative, sphesi, to themselves, sphesi. Dual, nominative, accusative, no, we, us too, no. Genitive, dative, non, of or to us, non. Dual, nominative, accusative, spho, ye, you too, spho. Genitive, dative, sphon, of or to you, sphon. Dual, nominative, accusative, sphoe, themselves, sphoe. Genitive, dative, sphoin, of or to themselves, sphoin. Decline the following like kalos, but with neuter nominative and accusative in o. Masculine, aftos. Feminine, afti. Neuter, afto. The same, o aftos, masculine. Feminine, iafti. Neuter, to afto. That, masculine, ekinos. Feminine, ekini. Neuter, ekino. Other, another. Masculine, alos. Feminine, ali. Neuter, άλλο. Accusative εαυτόν or αυτόν, εαυτήν, εαυτό, himself, herself, itself, has neither nominative case nor dual number. Plural accusative αλλήλους, αλλήλας, αλλήλα, one another, has neither nominative case nor singular number. 25. Each masculine, ekastos, feminine, ekasti, neuter, ekaston, friendly, dear, loving. Masculine, philos, or philos, the friend, feminine, phili, neuter, philon. Hostile, masculine, εχθρός, or εχθρός, the enemy, feminine, εχθρά, neuter, εχθρόν. Sun, masculine, ios. God, prison, feminine, philaki. Skull, neuter, kranion. Death, masculine, thanatos. Letter, feminine, epistoli. Cave, neuter, spileon. Crocodile, masculine, crocodilos. Tongue, language, feminine, glossa, or glotta. Singular, graphi, he writes, draws, describes. Plural, graphusin, they write. O εαυτού, his own. Εγώ είμαι ο φίλος σου, σύ ή ο γιος μου. Ταυτά σύ γράφει. Τον εαυτού γιον πέμπει. Οι φίλοι επιστολάς αλλήλεις γράφουσιν. Ο κροκόδιλος γλώτταν έχει. Έσχατος εχθρός έστιν ο θάνατος. Οι εχθροί ημών εν φυλακή εισήν. Εθύρε της φυλακής εκείνης μεγάλε και ισχυρέ ήσιν. Εν το σπηλαίο κρανία ειν πολλά. Τις ημιν αρτούς δώσει, η παινία της πτωχής εχθρά εστι. Τα έργα αυτών κακά ειν. Δώσει εκάστο το έργον αυτού. Give the derivation of philosophy. Philip, Ippos, philology, philanthropy, Philadelphia, Theophilus, epistle, cranium, polyglot, glossary. End of lessons 21 to 25 from Greek Lessons by W. H. Morris.